Customized. Stamping die refers to the pressure processing method of using a die fixed on a punch or press to apply a certain amount of pressure to metal or non-metal sheets, causing material separation or forming, so as to obtain parts with specified size requirements and qualified appearance quality. In the manufacturing field, stamping dies can shape and transform raw materials into complex functional components. Customized stamping dies play an important role in many industries due to their high efficiency in production, stable product quality, and good interchangeability. Stamping mold manufacturing is an advanced manufacturing technology that cannot be compared and replaced by other processing methods. It is widely used in industries such as automobiles, construction and infrastructure, medical and surgical equipment, aerospace, and national defense industry. Stamping technology mainly produces large batches of workpieces, with the aim of helping to achieve mechanization and automation, and has high production efficiency. The materials used for stamping dies mainly include tool steel, carbides, etc. The materials have three main characteristics: high strength, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. And this technology is mainly classified into punching molds, bending molds, stretching molds, and forming molds according to process attributes.